expected sentencing of a serial sex offender has been delayed. To the judge's surprise, 55-year-old Paul Goodrell was not transferred from the state prison in Elmira today.
The Ontario County District Attorney points to a miscommunication from the state. Natalie Kutchko was in the courtroom. She joins us now to explain what happened. Natalie.
Adam, Teresa, there was just a collective shock both from the judge and district attorney today when Paul Goodrell's case was called, yet he was missing. The DA says Goodrell was moved to the Elmira Correctional Facility on March 19th. However, a follow-up with the State Department of Corrections returned no response on Goodrell's transportation for today. It was supposed to be the day convicted sex offender Paul Goodrell was sentenced to prison in connection to exposing himself numerous times late last year to children across Ontario County. But a miscommunication from the Department of Corrections and Community Supervision, or DOCCS, came before the judge at the 11th hour, causing frustration for prosecutors and delayed justice for the victims and their families.
This is a situation where this is a case that, the public is keenly aware of. We've got a serial offender who is to be held to task today, and the ability to do that's now been taken away and adjourned for 2 more weeks. So it's frustrating.
The 55-year-old was on parole for a previous conviction in Cayuga County when he was moved to state prison in Elmira after pleading guilty to a new felony charge. Ontario County DA Jim Ritz says he was notified of the change March 19th and followed up with DOCCS immediately on Wednesday's expected sentencing.
There are times when DOCCS has staffing issues and they don't have enough people to transport. Usually we get notified of those things. In this case, we don't know why he wasn't transported, and so I can't speak to that piece of it. It's not frequent, but it's not uncommon.
Goodrell has been in the criminal justice system for 35 years, and despite this delay, Ritz says this will not change his conviction.
What's your message to the victims' families who are waiting for that fate to be delivered today?
Yeah. Justice will come. Justice will come in 2 weeks. And again, we will fight even at the end of his prison sentence to make sure he stays in so he can't victimize and traumatize other children.
Goodrell is now expected to be sentenced a few weeks from now on April 24th. He will serve 7 years with 15 years post-release supervision. That is concurrently for the charges that he faces. Reporting in studio, Natalie Kutchko, News 8.